Well, good morning everyone, Jordan here from Artisan Electrics. Welcome to this very special and exciting episode for a momentous event in the history of Artisan Electrics, because today is the first day that I am hiring or starting with my new employee Cory, the first ever proper on the books electrician that I've hired as a proper employee. Today is his first working day. It's 5:30 a.m. I'm here in the van and I'm just about to head off to go and pick him up. We're actually working down towards Surrey direction today, so sort of southwest London. And it's an EV charging job that we're going to be putting in an Andersen A2 charger. Cory lives kind of between Cambridge and London, so I'm going to be picking him up on the way over. And basically this week I'm doing training with him, so I'm going to be training him up on various different electric vehicle charging points so that he knows what's what, because he's going to be my EV guy basically, who's going to be travelling all around the country fitting EV chargers for us, because we just can't keep up with the demand at the moment. So today's video is sponsored by Tradify, and Tradify is coming in so handy at the moment, especially as I grow my team, because it's a job management platform for tradespeople. So it helps you right from the initial inquiry stage through to doing quotes, invoices, keeping track of your jobs, keeping track of your workers out on site, time management, all that kind of stuff. It's basically a one-stop platform to be able to keep your work organised, and it really helped my business a lot. So there's a link in the description where you can get 50% off your first 3 months with Tradify. So I'm going to head off now. It's going to take me about 45 minutes to get down to Cory. Going to pick him up, and then we've got another hour or so to get down to the job from there. As always, if you like my video, smash a thumbs up, and let's get into it. Good afternoon, good evening, and welcome back. And look who's with me today, Cory, new employee of the day, and soon to be employee of the month and employee of the year. And he's here because we're installing these Andersen A2 charger today. So going to be putting that in. Cory is new to the channel. You're going to be seeing more of him over the coming months. And we've just done a drone introduction video, and I've just cut my finger on the drone blade, so that was a bad start, wasn't it?
That was a bad start.
But anyway, we're going to get this Andersen on. The customer has put the cable in for us already, so we've got an armoured cable going all the way up the wall, up into the loft. The customer's done the horrible job of actually fitting the cable in the loft, running it through the loft, running it down to the consumer unit. So we've got the nice easy part now of just mounting it up onto the wall, getting it all connected and working. And Cory's going to be mainly doing EV stuff for me, so he's going to be the guy who's fitting all the EV chargers mostly going forward. So we're going to be doing some training on the Andersen today, and then I'm going to be training him up on some of the other chargers that we fit as well over the next week. So it's going to be a fun week.
Look forward to it.
Yes. As always, if you enjoy the videos, don't forget to hit a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already, it's free, and let's get into it. So, first lesson for Cory is where to find the first aid kit, because I have cut my finger with the drone. Stupid. But yeah, I've got a plaster going on now, so it'll be all good.
It sprayed blood on your face.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Wow.
So Andersen charger, yeah, level, that's a good idea. One of the tricky things that we found about these is that if the wall is a little bit not level, like this way, then the top tends to go out of line a bit. But yeah, basically first job is just offer it up on the wall with your thingies. And height wise, that's a bit too high because you're tall.
My level doesn't fit.
Okay. Maybe we can get another level.
About there?
Yeah, so the regs for the EV charging say it should be between I think 0.75 and 1.2 meters, something like that. If there's any kind of controls, I think that's even still a bit too high. I would say, because what's going to happen is the person's going to come, lift the flap, the charging plug will be in here, and they'll unholster it. So I would say even maybe the top to about here would be perfect. Yeah. So far, nice neat job. Cables all clipped down, glanded in here, this part, and then this part is the IP rated part that we need to kind of make sure that we preserve the IP rating specifically of that. So that's all good. Just got to get these wires connected now with some ferrules on, connected into the terminals, and then just start mounting everything up. Artisan Electrics, we do everything with a gentle caress, gently caressing the charger onto the wall. And as you can see, everything's done with a bit of TLC. So Cory was just reminding me that we work like artisan bakers, gently caressing the dough. We gently caress the charging points and cables. Yeah, the artisan caress.
There you go, like that.
So how's it going so far, Cory? How's your first day working for Artisan Electrics?
It's not bad. I've got a bacon sandwich being cooked. I can't complain.
We do have the best customers in the world. I don't know if any of you guys saw it, but if you don't follow me on Instagram and follow Cory on Instagram as well, I'll leave a link below where you can do that. But I put a message out on there the other day because this customer we're working at today, he sent me an email, I think yesterday or the day before, saying, deposit paid, bacon sandwiches ready to go. See you on Tuesday. And I was like, wow, we have the best customers in the world. Right, well, as I said, best customers ever. We've got bacon sarnies and coffee. Very, very nice. Cory was just telling me he had vegan bacon last night, to which I scoffed. But he is eating proper bacon today, so that's all good. Should hopefully line up perfectly. Not quite.
Tighter.
Yeah, probably a bit tighter. Yeah, that'll do. You want it to. The whole idea is that it hides the cable as well. So that's it. Flap up. Plug it in. So Cory, first day is done. How does it feel?
It's good. I think you threw us in the deep end a little bit, but if you're happy, then I'm happy.
I did throw you in at the deep end. First ever EV charger, and I just left you to get on with it basically with a few pointers. And I was filming the whole time, so it's quite high pressure really. But you did a great job. First day tick. Ready for the next one. So we will be doing another video about the consumer unit. Stay tuned for that, part 2. And as always, don't forget to head over to the links in the description, especially Tradify. If you think that can help your business, then head over to the link in the description. You can get 50% off your first 3 months of Tradify. Thanks for watching and have a great day.